And also, for the record, you are one and the same person that was originally placed on probation in this case. And it appears that you originally were placed on probation on, let me get that date. There it is. You're originally placed on probation in this case on August 18th of 2015, correct?
Correct.
And you were given a 60 months probation, correct?
Correct.
All right. And so by having your agreement and consent to conduct this hearing remotely and virtually, we will proceed. Mr. Harris, do we have your agreement and consent as well?
We do, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So the paperwork that I have before me, Mr. Hightower, indicates that you want to plead true to the state's allegations and enter into a plea where you will have a sentence in the state jail facility. You understand that?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And you understand that with this case, you do not have a right to a trial, but you do have a right to a hearing, and that's what we're doing today. All right?
And will I have time, right to speak before?
Yes.
It's been fine. Okay.
Yes, you will.
Absolutely.
And as I said, you don't have an absolute right to a trial, but you have a right to a contested hearing. So you also could have contested these allegations, and your lawyer could have called any witnesses that you wanted to come down. Well, we have to do it virtually. But also, the state would have the opportunity to bring any witness they want to prove that you committed these violations. But it's my understanding we don't want to go that route, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, because you are entering into a plea agreement, you do not have a right to appeal this case if I follow the plea agreement. Now, I will tell you that I am going to follow the plea agreement, okay? And if I follow the plea agreement, it means you cannot appeal this case. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I see you. I see you got the mask on, but I can't tell by your eyes.
Well, it's understandable. It's just, again, even I heard y'all speaking, yes, I'm the same person, but I am different. I was echoing, but I'm no longer there. I mean, I work for a church now, and I attend church, and I'm over a year clean and sober. I don't even smoke cigarettes. A lot of things have changed in my life, and sometimes it's good to be heard.
Yeah.
Speaks a lot about character. I know. I mean, I'm not trying to make an excuse. Yes, it was a wrong. I did. It was wrong for me to not do it, not take that full responsibility. But people do have things that change in their life. You know, so,
Exactly.
yeah.
And thank you for that. I appreciate that.
Right.
Because a lot of people don't acknowledge what they did wrong, and they sure don't acknowledge that they made a turn and they've come a long way. So thank you for that. I appreciate that. Mr. Harris, are you going to waive formal reading of the state's motion and enter a plea on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor. We waive formal reading of the state's motion and appeal true, Your Honor.
Okay. So, Mr. Hightower, your attorney has entered a plea of true on your behalf, stating that the allegations in the state's motion is true. Is that your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you doing that freely and voluntarily? Okay. All right. Mrs. Morris.
State offers State's Exhibit Number 1, the defendant signed written voluntary plea of true and stipulation of evidence, and asked that the court take judicial notice of the entire contents of the court's file.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. So, State's Exhibit Number 1, defendant's plea of true will be admitted into the court. The court will also take judicial notice that the Michael Morton Act has been successfully complied with, as well as take judicial notice of the entire contents of the court's jacket and probation act. Is there anything further from the state?
No, ma'am, the state rests.
And Mr. Harris, anything further?
Nothing further, Your Honor. That's rest as well.
All right. And I have taken notice of your statement too, okay, Mr. Hightower? So thank you for that.
What I state? I'm
Okay, Mr. Harris, Mr. Hightower.
Okay. All right. Can I call my client, Your Honor?
You may.
Go.
Mr. Hightower, will you please raise your right hand and best you can? There you go. You so solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. And now, because we've done it this way, Mr. Harris can allow you to make whatever statement you want to the court, okay?
Okay.
Well, first and foremost, let me ask you. You just told the judge you're a changed man, right?
Yes.
And that you're in church and you basically changed your life and accept responsibility for everything you're doing, correct?
Yes.
You knew a warrant was out for you, didn't you?
Well, I checked online to see it, but I can imagine.
You knew that you were on probation, correct?
Yes, sir.
you knew you never reported to that probation, did you? And you knew that if you didn't report for probation, that the likelihood is they would put a warrant, right?
Yes.
And you've been told that if you didn't do anything on probation, did you?
No.
And even when you, as you tell the judge, you changed your life and now you're going to church, you want to be responsible, you didn't turn yourself in, did you?
I didn't.
Right? And now you're asking the court to basically trust you again, just like they did 5 years ago, to complete the conditions of your probation, just on your word, the same word you gave them 5 years ago. But now you're saying you're a different man. But that different man still didn't turn himself in. They had to arrest you, didn't
Yes, sir.
they? Okay. You understand? I explained to you that at this point, the state has agreed, graciously agreed, to offer you the minimum, even though you didn't do anything. You would gone for 5 years. And the state still is offering you the minimum on your sentence. And you're telling the court, I just want to make sure I understand that before you make any statements to the court, that you don't have to take that. If you feel like I'm forcing you to take the minimum, you can talk to the judge and go open it and roll the dice with the judge and see what she wants to do. And so I'm asking you, what do you want to do?
Well, Mr.
Harris?
Actually, I was gonna ask a totally different question
Okay.
for the comfort. I mean, I was going to see as a, can I?
Yes, sir.
I was wondering if, is there any way to show in good faith? They're doing a lot of things with volunteers with COVID-19 relief as well as disaster relief. That would, I believe that would be a show of good faith that I would go, because I'd be willing to do that because I'm not in that same place. And that's basically what I want to ask you
Okay.
for, that Crawford, for instance. But,
Well, I will tell you, it's a particular situation that we're in with you because your probation was 5 years. and
right.
I don't have any more room to even extend you. So our options would be either it's discharge or it's revocation. And so we're at the point of revocation.
Okay.
And so Mr. Harris is absolutely correct in regards to from the time you're placed on probation till now. If you would have showed up in between there, we probably could have done something, but now I don't even have the authority to continue your probation out any longer. Does that make sense?
Yeah, and this is a new thing that happened
Okay.
with this COVID-19. I feel like I do better, but we just have to do what we do.
Yeah.
And I work for the church. I attended as well for the church.
Okay.
Oh, good, good.
All right.
And also I will tell you that in following this plea agreement, you will get credit for any and all back time that you have. So that cuts down on a lot of stuff, okay? And as long as you're supposed to also make sure that you get your presumptive good credit. So that also cuts time down. So we're gonna do all we can since you turned it around for us, all right?
Okay.
But just know that with Mr. Harris, myself, as well as the state, our hands are tied and limited to certain things that we can do just because of the timing of everything.
And that's understandable. It has to be a punishment for what I did. I'm not trying to run away from that. I'm just trying to say where I'm at right now.
Good, good. Well, thank you for that. I appreciate that.
It's not.
Is there anything further from either side?
None from the defense, Your Honor.
Okay, all
Nothing
right.
from the state.
Thank you. So, Mr. Hightower, I will find that you were competent to make your plea of truth. I find that you gave that plea of truth freely and voluntarily. Is there any reason in law, Mr. Harris, why your client should not be sentenced?
There is not, Your Honor.
Okay. So it will be the order, judgment, decree of the court that you will serve a 6-month sentence in the state jail facility. You will be taken by the sheriff and safely held until they can take you to that state jail facility. And you will remain there until your term expires or until your case is discharged, okay? So whichever comes first, that's when you'll be released, all right?
And will they
you'll
take
be
us there?
credit for all your back time. That's okay. Go ahead.
Will they take us there? I thought we
It just depends.
Yeah.
here.
It
Okay,
depends
I don't know.
sometimes, and we're off the record. Thank you, Christine.
Yeah, I don't think with the amount of time I don't